Hello students, my channel name is Kahana Srinit, class 10th standard. In this session I am going to explain you that 11th chapter trigonometry, exercise 11.3, first and second bit. Before going to start exercise 11.3, you have to know some formulas, then only you can do that. See here it is, these are the 6 formulas, you need to learn this, then only you can do that. Again these formulas also. See here it is 6 formulas. You need to learn only these row only. Sin x is equals to 1 by cosec x. Cos x is equals to 1 by sec x. Tan x is equals to 1 by cot x. Cot x is equals to 1 by tan x. Sec x is equals to 1 by cos x. Cosec x is equals to 1 by sin x. See here in this, these two are related. Next these two are related and these two are related here. Observe, sin means cos, cos means sin. Cos means sec, sec means cos, tan means cot, cot means tan. Now let us start exercise 11.3 first bit. Exercise 11.3, evaluate. First bit, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Before going to start, you have to know one point here. Whatever you can do, but it must be cancelled and the answer is must be in the form of whole number. Whole number is nothing but from 0 to infinity, nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now let us start it. Tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. No. See here. Tan 36 degrees. No. First of all, we have to write only one type. Tan 36 degrees means A angle. Here, this formula, see here. Tan A is equals to cot 90 minus A. Only we have to change one only. See, tan 36 degrees. No. Cot 90 minus 36 degrees. A no, here it is A angle. Tan A means tan 36 degrees is equals to cot 90 minus, what is A here? 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees is equal to 90 minus 36, 54 degrees. Cot 54 by cot 54 cancel. What is remaining here? 1. See, observe here, only we have to change one term and it must be in the form of whole number. See here, 1 is a whole number. Next, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. First of all, we have to change only one here. Cos A, 12 means A. Cos A formula is, cos A is equals to sin 90 minus A. Sin 90 minus A means sin 90 as it is minus, what is A here? 12 minus 12 minus sin 78 degrees. 90 minus 12, 78 degrees. Sin 78 minus sin 78, 0. 0 is nothing but whole number. Next, cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. Only we have to change one here. Cosec A is equals to sec 90 minus A. What is A here? 31 degrees. Sec 90 minus, what is A here? 31 degrees. No, 90 minus 31 degrees. Minus sec 59 degrees. 90 minus 31, 59 degrees. Sec 59 minus sec 59, both are equal. In this evaluate problem, we have to do all are equal. See, here it is equal, here it is equal and here it is equal. Sec 59 minus sec 59, 0. Next, sin 59, 15 degrees, sec 75 degrees. First of all, we have to change only one here. Sin A value is cos 90 minus A. A, what is value of A here? 15 degrees. Cos 90 minus A, no. Cos 90 minus, what is A here? 15 degrees. 19 minus 15 into, here nothing is there. So that means it is multiplication here. Into sec 75 degrees. Cos 90 minus 15, 75 degrees. Into sec 75 degrees. See, after doing this formula also we can't get both are equal here. Because it is here cos, here sec. But degrees are equal. So we have to use second type of formula. See here. This type of formulas we have to use here. What we have to use here? Only one. Cos a, no, cos x. See here, cos x. Cos x is nothing but 1 by sec x. After substituting this formula only, if we can't get, we have to use this type of formulas. We can't getting here now, so we have to use this formula. Cos x is equals to 1 by sec x. Cos x is equals to 1 by sec x. No, in the place of x I have taken a here. If you want to take any variable, that means any alphabet, nothing to worry. See, cos a, but formula must be equal, same. Cos a is equals to 1 by sec a. In previous paper, cos x is equals to 1 by sec x. A, x are also equal. Whatever you want to take in the place of a, it must, nothing to worry. Observe here and listen carefully. Cos a, no. Cos a means cos 75 degrees. In the what is a value here? 75 degrees. 1 by sec a, no. What is 1 by sec a? 1 by sec, as it is I have written here, 75 degrees. A, what is the value of a? 75 degrees. 75 degrees into sec 75 degrees. Now you can observe that these two are equal. So cancelling. What we get here? 1. Next, fifth one, tan 26 degrees, tan 64 degrees. First of all, you have to only use first type of formula, next second type of formula. But it must be both are equal. First, tan A. Tan A is equals to cot 90 minus A, no. See here. Tan A is equals to cot 90 minus A. See. Cot 90 minus, what is A here? 26 degrees. Into tan 64 degrees. Cot 90 minus 26, 64. Into tan 64. After using this formula also, we are not getting here both are equal, but degrees are equal. So we have to use another type of formula. What is that formula? In this table we have to use. What is here? Cot A. Cot, where is cot here? Here it is cot. Cot x is equals to 1 by tan x, no. In the place of x I have taken a here. Cot a is equals to 1 by tan a. 1 by tan a, no. 1 by tan a, what is in the place of a here? 64 degrees. 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. See, both are equal here. Cancelling, what we get here? 1. Next, second we show that tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. First of all, we have to find only one term here. Nothing but this is the first term, tan 48 degrees. What is tan 48 degrees? Tan A. What is the value of tan A? Cot 90 minus A, no. Cot 90 minus, what is in the place of A here? 48 degrees. 90 minus 48 degrees. I have written as it is. See here, as it is equal to 1. 90 minus 48, 42. Cot 42 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. In these, which are related here? See, 42 degrees are related. Let us take separate. Cot 42 degrees, tan 42 degrees. Tan 16 degrees, tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. Now, take beside. Okay? Now understand? Let us take this. These two are completed now. These two are equal. See, angles are equal. Afterwards, we can solve this. Next, tan 16 degrees. Nothing but tan A is equals to cot 19 minus A. Cot 90 minus, in the place of A, it is 16. 90 minus 16 into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. Cot 42 degrees, cot 42, tan 42 degrees, cot 90 minus 16, 74. Tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. See, here 2 are equal and here 2 are equal. Now, after using this formula also we can't get. So, we have to use this type of formulas. What are the formulas here we have to use? Cot and cot. Both are equal, no? Cot. Cot A is equals to 1 by tan A. See here. Cot x is equals to 1 by tan x, no? Cot A is equals to 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A in the place of A, what is 42? 1 by tan 42 into tan 42. See, both are equal here. Into cot A means 1 by tan, 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. See, both are equal, here also equal. 1 is equal to, after cancelling, what we get here? 1 into 1, 1. 1 is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So hence, we proved it. See here, second one, cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees, sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. Now, first of all, you have to change only one term. Cos 36 degrees, no, nothing but cos A. Cos A is equals to sin 90 minus A, no. In the place of cos A, I have written sin 90 minus A here. Sin 90 minus, what is the value of A here? 36. 90 minus 36. Cos 54 minus sin 36, sin 54 is equal to 0. Sin 90 minus 36, 90 minus 36, 54. Sin 54 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus, let us check the value of sin 36 degrees. Nothing but sin A. Sin A is equals to cos 90 minus A. See here, in the place of sin 36 degrees, I have written cos 90 minus, A means 36, no. 90 minus 36 degrees, sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. Sin 54 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus cos 90 minus 36, 54. Sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. Observe this, cos 54 are equal, sin 54 are equal. So both are cancelling. In the place of minus, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel. I also click the bell icon. Whenever I keep the video, you will get the notification. Thank you for listening.